There's no going back for me. I'm gonna live the way he says to live, do what he says to do. You can choose whatever road you choose. I'm gonna walk with Jesus. I'm gonna walk.
Yellowstone National Park. The super volcano is actually 40 years overdue, and it caused the last ice age.
Okay.
So it would be best to go somewhere else, like here.
Stop!
It's a nice view.
Yeah.
Are we almost there?
Yeah. Are you almost there?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a beautiful day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was cloudy the last couple of days. And it's sunny. I mean, it's still cloudy, but
Today's Monday, and
you didn't do any schoolwork yet. You'll do it when we get back home.
we're almost there. Oh, look at those trees over there. Like where I am. We're here.
Yeah.
But you need to pay for entrance.
Uh-huh.
Just need to go.
So we'll just wait here.
What? We're not gonna go to the volcano?
We have to wait on your father, Alex.
Here, okay.
Oh, where's the bathroom? Yay.
Can we at
Okay,
least?
so we're at the entrance of the Cotopaxi. There's restaurants, cafeteria, bathrooms. You can rent a car or a van or like take a tour. So some guy came up and he said it's $60 for 6 of us, and it's gonna take 4 to 5 hours.
Where's the food? Where's the food?
You ate. Max, chodź tu.
45 hours to get where?
To see everything. We're gonna climb Volcano. Good thing I have my walking shoes.
And I have my waterproof shoes, which are also climbing shoes.
Max, chodź tu. I'll see you later.
Max has his camouflage shoes.
So they told us to get this for the kids. What is it?
Coca.
Which is?
It's kind of like cocaine.
Yeah, right.
Well, it's made from the coca plant, so.
They said it's good for the kids for the altitude sickness.
Wait, did I ever get altitude sickness?
I don't think so. So you should probably give it to them now.
Altitude sickness.
Because we're gonna go high up. Huh?
Asking you're supposed to.
I got sick in the cold.
You ask.
Oh, stop. Stop, Max. Don't make me fool. Can I have food, Mom?
Didn't you just have breakfast? Zostaw, nie dotykaj. Buenos días.
Sí, amiguita, alpaca. Ese alpaca. Puedes mirar, amiguita. No problema.
You can look, but I'm not buying it.
O así llaverito, también quiz. Así. Así, amiguita. Así, gorritos, alpacas. Mirar, amiguita.
¿Cuántos cuesta?
Así. Ahí dentro en colores.
¿Cuántos cuesta?
Así, todo $5. $5. Así, hay todo colores.
Ujú.
Puedes mirar, amiga. Ponchitos, imanes. Recuerdo, amiga. Así, alpaca.
That's a mama boy.
Así, amiga.
Okay, put it back because I'm not buying it.
Poncho, choeres. Choeres, amigo. Así, gorritos.
I want that.
Okay, so we'll be getting on this bus. Well, $60 for all of us. And we're eating the Polish way. Bring your own sandwiches, right?
Who's got the water?
I don't know, hit the water. Where's the water?
I give it to you.
Oh, it's over there.
We found some cool llama toys there. They were super fluffy. I recommend you buying them.
I recommend you to go on Epic and watch Mama Street.
So, hopefully, I won't be freezing. Richard's not dressed for the weather, I don't think. Good thing you have that layer up here.
Dad, you're gonna be froze to death.
I don't know, but we don't need no llamas.
Come on.
Unless it's a real one, because they're cute.
Remember that last video where there was a llama
Are we getting on?
kissing us?
Put it in your backpack. Okay, Adam, take your sandwich. Let's go.
Where? To where?
The box.
What? But I never raided on a vest before, but a long time ago. That's good. See it like. There was rain, Mom.
Hmm?
Go. Go, Mom. It looks cute. Is it starving?
Yeah, look at his ribs.
Can I give you more?
Okay, get on the bus.
He is really skinny.
Yeah.
It is red.
Are we getting on this one?
Did you see the red?
I guess that's not our bus. Oh, okay.
Oh my God.
I guess that's not our bus.
One bus?
Yeah.
Are we at the right place? Mom, are we at the right place?
Yeah. If you're full, you can give the rest to the dog.
Oh yeah. You're your first the dog. Dad, do you want to give it to the dog?
Because you see it.
Hurry up, Alex. Okay, let's go. Here, Alex. Follow the lady. Okay, Anna, let's go. 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 Follow the lady. Go. Move, Max. Okay. We're getting in this. Go. Go.
I can't.
Get
three
in.
the back.
Move.
Roxy, you
Get
in
in.
the front. I'll ride in the front.
Get in. Go.
Come on.
He can go.
What?
Go.
Please.
Oh, in the trunk?
Sure. Aqui? Did you give them the candy?
No,
Then give it to them.
I have it right now. I have to still eat it.
So
No one's
what?
Inside? All right, I'll ride inside.
Aqui? Okay. Get in. Here. You need to sit. You can't be sticking out.
Do it. Did you say we have to get the candy? I like it.
Okay. Give them the candy. Okay, so the lady said that this is lava. So there's a volcano there and it's not active. That one over there.
The clouds were resting on the mountaintop.
Yeah.
Look, over
And there's the Cotopaxi. You can't see the top.
Wait,
Why is it
Alex, look, no people.
We're gonna go take pictures. Go. Go.
Michael got stuck.
Exacto, eso, eso.
Now it's gonna take us 45 minutes to get to. Put your mask on, Alex.
I know you can dance.
Look, Alex.
I see the snow.
Turn around, Richard.
I
Get in the picture. What are you doing? Alex, stop.
Una música tradicional de aquí, ¿no? Para poder ver si le hacemos despertar al Cotopaxi.
Look. Look.
Eso, zapateando, vamos.
Are we going farther?
Huh?
Are we going farther?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know.
I hope we are.
Alex, look.
If you do, y'all are gonna have to ride inside.
Okay.
Dance.
And that's how you dance.
Alex, stop messing.
It's not a monster.
Yeah.
It's a monster.
Mosh pit.
What's that?
25 minutes in the parking, ¿no?
Okay.
Are we going up more?
I think we're going down. What? I think it's raining already. It's raining
Oh,
now.
look, that guy.
Yeah, we're in the clouds now.
I can't
Can't
see
see
it.
That's what it
anything.
looks like inside of a cloud.
Remember, it's starting to pop, Mom.
Oh yeah, mine popped.
Oop, I know.
So, like, when we get so high, it starts raining.
It's, yeah.
Yeah, it's raining.
Mom, be careful not to, like, drop your phone out here.
Yeah.
with the phone. Like,
Look outside the window.
oh wow.
He just got hit in the head. My brother just got hit in the head with the window because of this shaking. His head just banged.
Making me bang my head.
Oh, there he is. Mushrooms?
Mushroom.
The white.
Cool.
Hey mom, why were those stones stacked?
Because people stack them.
Why?
I don't know, so it looks cool.
I thought it was
Over here.
Oh. My arm. My hand.
Oh my.
Dark.
Are we up all the way?
Okay.
Okay, this is so it's still Sunday.
Hey, Alex,
What
do you
time is
remember
it?
that guy?
I don't know, but look, you can't see anything in the front.
Oh.
It's so dark. Oh man, that looks scary. I wonder if that's a drop over there. You can't see anything.
I mean, I can see a little bit.
Oh, what happens if there was a curve?
We would die.
I'm scared now. So, if this is our last video, like and subscribe. And go to our wedding. I mean, our
Wedding?
I don't know.
Funeral.
I mean, our I don't know.
Funeral.
Funeral. Funeral.
What's all those rocks?
Wedding. Oh, wow, that's a drop.
Yeah, that's a drop.
Can't see nothing.
Yeah.
Why do I say
I
wedding?
can't. Because it's bad.
Yeah. Hopefully we won't drive off the cliff.
I think I see a curve.
I see a sign. I see a house. And a sign.
Looks like we aren't going. You aren't going to our funeral. But if our funeral is 2 days, then make sure you get in.
Yeah, but
Oh.
you're gonna be like this.
I think I'll tell them to bring some cake also. When still alive.
Suck you.
Okay, so we're going up.
Yes. Look over there.
I can't.
It's just.
Yeah, we're in the clouds.
electric rain wheels.
I can't see anything. There was.
It's thunder.
We can't. First off, there was cars.
Richard, give me your.
No.
Yeah, can I have your joke? Can I have your
That's what
coat?
you get for dragging me to
Joe,
the top
can
of
I
the
have your?
mountain.
Can I have your coat?
I'm so scared. Like, if lightning strikes here, man, would you be terrified?
Okay.
Okay, we're
Oh
cool.
no, it's
I'm cold already.
right here. There was lightning next to the house.
You
Can
can change your mind and just go
No.
right back down.
can you please give me that
No.
coat? Then can I be with you?
Nope.
So you just
Ada. Ada, stop wasting energy because we're gonna go all the way up.
It's cold alright.
man.
Yeah. Let's pray that the rain stops and the clouds go away.
Wait,
The sun
You go
comes out.
first. You go
Wait,
first.
but I
You
want
go.
to see the.
No, we'll be done. Because he doesn't have any. Give us this daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses. And if you could
Bugs the Bunny's here.
lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil one. For thine is the kingdom,
Okay.
the power, and the glory, forever.
See?
Amen.
Okay, I like this.
Come on, Richard. At least I'm not wearing my slippers.
What did you say you broke?
What is it? Daycare?
Can I have the apple?
What?
Can I have the apple?
No.
Ada, hook.
Nothing now. I feel
Anna, stay with us. You might get run over.
I'm already tired. Go. Go.
okay. It's raining on the floor.
Huh? Yeah.
I don't need the pillows. I don't need the pillows.
Oh man. I'm tired.
My lungs are just feeling weird. But my head. We're not even that far from
How
the
far are we
park.
walking?
Let's run. This is how much I can do.
Yeah. Walk backwards.
Yeah, walking backwards. This is easy.
I'm gonna go after you.
Okay,
You think so?
Yes, obsidian.
Oh, it's cloudy again.
How much?
Get away from the edge when I roll off.
How much is obsidian worth?
Uh-huh.
Hindi, altitude de 4,000
Uh-huh.
no? Hindi.
See.
Back?
Go.
Hurry up. Follow.
Go.
We're going back?
It's hailing. Oh, thanks. I'm already wet. What's the difference?
Yeah, but it'll fucking protect you from the hail.
Are we going
My hands are freezing.
Yeah?
And my ears.
Okay.
Are we going back?
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna roll off. Come here. What's that?
It's the water bottle for my back.
So, yeah, we're not dressed for hiking. I wasn't planning on hiking.
Yeah.
And there's nothing.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
Oh, my hands are frozen. It's like 30 degrees. Oh my god.
Ah, your hands are so cold, Harry. Your hands are freezing.
Alex! Alex!
Alex! Right, skipping?
No, I don't want to skip.
No,
Stop.
I saw this guy
Stop.
skipping. Skipping might be more effective than walking.
So that's lava.
I'm gonna be Alex.
Is that lava?
I don't know. Alex, can you unclip this? This thing's been hitting the back of my legs.
I can't. My hands are freezing.
What heat, Alex? The hail stopped. Now it's just raining. Hopefully the ride down is
Less bumpy.
yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cold. The wind.
I can't feel parts of my body. Just the exposed ones.
No, I'm running.
No.
Wait, I'm not feeling
Let's skip.
myself. Ah, stop running. I'm not
Let's skip.
I'm not feeling myself. Stop.
This rain is freezing on my hands when it hits. Hug them turns. Don't go wide.
Stop running, Richard.
I'm not
Stop.
running, it's gravity. See, they're running.
I think I already peed myself.
Oh, that's not good. I think they have hiking diapers. I'm not joking. When you're on the rock wall and you need to go, sometimes you just gotta go.
Oh my god, stop.
I wasn't sure if you wanted to go faster. Because like you were pushing me. It made me feel like you wanted to go fast.
Stop. So, how did you like it?
Oh, I got a bunch of obsidian.
Let me see.
4. 1 huge one and 3 little ones.
Let me see.
Okay, it's 1 huge.
Was that the rock you used?
What?
1 huge one, which is mine, and 3 little ones.
I got one tiny one.
So, did you like it?
Yeah. The best thing is that I get obsidian and I didn't fall to my death because I accidentally went off like a cliff.
He slipped.
I think it was like a deep thing, like a slide. Yeah, I was running. Gravity was pushing me downward.
Yeah, it was so hard to stop running, right?
Oh, and thanks to our church friends, Pastor Dawson, Chris, Hope, and all the other ones.
You should say hi.
Hi.
Sit back, Anna.
For all you people at church, I miss you guys.
Yeah.
And this obsidian is really cool. Like,
Oh, you mean heavy?
yes, heavy and cool. Maybe we can like sell this. Sell obsidian.
So,
Selling
bro.
I
obsidian.
feel like my ears are defrosting now.
Oh,
They feel hot.
Hail hit my ears. Like,
Yeah.
Hail like hit my nose, my teeth, and my eye.
Yeah.
It went
Like over here.
It is like over here.
It hit my
Like
leg.
it was painful.
It hit my leg.
So I thought we were just gonna see the volcano from far away. I didn't know we were actually gonna climb it. Move back, Anna.
Yeah.
Yeah, if I knew we were climbing it, we would be dressed for the weather,
Yes.
for hiking.
For next time, we will be prepared.
Yeah,
Like maybe tomorrow.
but
Yeah, we can like buy like scarves, gloves, hats.
we have that. But
Yeah. While we're in this car,
Next time,
trying to avoid death. Yeah.
Mom, next time bring earmuffs.
yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna climb it because I was so short of breath and like
Short?
my heart was beating
Yeah, that felt weird, right?
just as soon as we got out of the car. Like took literally like I don't know,
A
Yeah, mine
second.
too.
like 30 feet.
Weird. Like,
This
I felt it, like, what is going on? Like, why is my heart beating like that?
Yeah.
And I'm not having that sick.
You didn't feel that?
No.
Your heart wasn't beating
Oh,
super
no.
fast?
No, it wasn't.
What?
I didn't have the pills. I didn't have the pill, so and I'm not
Why was it beating super fast?
It wasn't?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it wasn't.
Well, maybe because you're young. When you're older.
And you're afraid of heights.
Yeah.
We're just gonna.
Next time you guys just do it by yourself when you're older. With friends.
Yeah, next time be prepared. Be prepared.
You almost
Be there or
climbed
be
it.
square, said Pastor Dawson.
Huh?
And it was
You
the
almost
latter
climbed it.
Wednesday. I really missed that day.
Yeah, I like the water.
top. We can't get it because it's super cloudy. Oh, there it is. So, look, Alex, you can see the top. For what? Ada, look, you can see the top. Hurry. Hurry, you can see the top.
Yeah, I see the top.
Alright, get in the picture. It's cold, just get inside. Where's your father?
Oh no, but here's my gigantic. Oh, there he is.
That's not him.
Here's my gigantic piece of.
Look, stand over here.
Practically true.
Ada, get in here. Jeez, stand over here. Stand up. Jeez. Look here. Wait. I'm just taking a video. You can jump if you want.
The heck? What are you
Oh,
doing?
you can jump if you want.
Why did you think?
I am.
That's it. Yeah.
Okay. So we are going in the.
From
You need to stop jumping around because you're gonna fall out.
girls were